see what we got going on here. So apparently we don't like streaming to multiple things at once. So we're gonna have to figure that out. So I should be on, I don't know which camera I'm looking at right here. I should be on YouTube and Facebook. So today, just trying to test this stuff out. Hope if you are watching this at the moment and you are live with me, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that everything is clear on your end. It sounds pretty decent, because I have no idea. So, oh look, this finally decided to reconnect. So check this out. What's up, everybody? My name is John Thetford with T6 Design Co. And clearly I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're doing some testing today. And then, yeah, we're just kind of roughnecking it in the garage today. Hope everybody's doing good, though. So more or less, though, I'm just making this. If you watch this, great. Leave me a comment. Let me know how it sounds and looks on your end. I will be going back as I get some time later on to see what this looks and sounds like. So, at any rate, looks like the video quality is pretty good on my end, though. And I think my phone is actually doing a pretty good job at capturing quality video. At any rate, let's see here. I don't know about y'all, but it is Friday Eve, and I'm kind of excited about that. So we might try to celebrate that together here in a little bit. Maybe. We'll see how I feel and how everybody else feels. And I know it's still really early and lots of folks are at work. So, at any rate, yeah, just trying to test out, though. I'm using the software called OBS and was looking around at different ways to stream to both Facebook and YouTube at the same time. Trying to get into making some content that hopefully will be very valuable to all the folks that are interested in laser engraving and producing various things. So, yeah. I've made stickers and wood signs, and I think you can see, yeah, right here. I'm going to have to get used to this camera being backwards. But we got cornhole boards, and then here's one of the things I think most of y'all have probably just seen it on the social media stuff, but I had made, which way? Here we go. Made man a little metal holder that we're going to try to get mounted up, but I wanted to keep it out here because we'll be doing some photography with it soon. Just as it is. And then I also want to order, I can't remember what they're called, but they're like little lapel type of pins or whatever that will hold it all, or hold the ribbons together, kind of keep them neat and clean. And yeah, just dress it up. So at any rate, let's see here. Check out this gnarly software stuff going on here. It's kind of cool. I'll just show you this for a second. So I've had to build all this stuff out and put in different logos and build these scenes out. And I'm not going to play that one because that'll bring you back to the music and what have you for our intro and outros. But we'll go back to this. But pretty cool, isn't it? I used to be a pretty big computer nerd and could figure out and tell you how all this stuff would work without really having to think of it. It looks like my phone is frozen again. Let's see here. I heard a beep. There it goes. The phone thing, though, the software will automatically connect to my phone, which is cool. However, I don't know why it's not going in and out. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. Oh, yeah. Well, because my phone wasn't working. There we go. So, yeah. Thanks for sitting back and going through this rough flow of things with me. Well, as we move forward, we'll get some more of this stuff built up, though, but if you guys were able to see the intro without any streaming interruptions or buffering issues, what'd you think of it? I put that together today. I really like the kind of upbeat, make you feel good, get after it kind of music, so that's what we went with. And I hope that I don't get any YouTube strikes on it. And why is my phone being dumb now? Oh, you know what? I bet you it's because my kids are home too. So one thing I need to figure out too is running a tap out here, so I can hardwire my MacBook to it, which I guess I'll have to find an adapter to do the whole Ethernet thing to make sure that we have some dedicated space. So hopefully this all looks and sounds good though, regardless of that situation currently. But clearly it'll be all right. At least for right now. Distraction. I got these tags that we could be able to put on our products, and then also on some bags and stuff that will have our contact info on there and shows, and then whenever we're mailing out stuff, so we'll be trying to pilot some of that stuff before too long as well. Oh, check this out. If you haven't seen it, let's see. So I put a product called Ceramark on this, so it kind of grays it out, and obviously it takes the reflective surface away. The crazy thing about it is for my laser in general, especially for stuff like this, you have to really take it slow and put in a lot of power in order to get the markings on there. But check out the detail though. And of course my phone has stopped yet again. Well, let me, maybe there it is. Okay, so we'll get some of that figured out. Y'all want to hang around and bear with me. Guess we can't be on the same plane. Focus. There we go. But yeah, check that out. So my thought is to offer personalization on tools. I used to be an electrician, believe it or not, in the oil field. Young guy. And a lot of you that know, work in the service, our trade services, know that tools have a tendency to be either left behind or forgotten, and or unfortunately taken away. So I used to take nail polish and paint all my stuff up with a certain color. Learned that from a journeyman that I was working under at the time, and that did help a little bit though. But yeah, I was thinking like it would be really cool if you can personalize, get your own design on whatever tools, if there's a surface for it. So I'm going to test out a few more things. I might even start a little series called Will It Engrave just to see. But the crap that you put on this, that Ceramark, is super expensive. So I'm going to have to figure out some budgetary alternatives possibly to that. But I thought it would be cool, if you want to put your name on it or your initials, or maybe you have a logo, maybe you're a company that's supplying some tools. I know for the company that I was working for, we did, it's kind of cool. We bought like Father's Day and Mother's Day gifts for everybody. So for Father's Day, we bought a bulk of just some cheaper screwdrivers and what have you, to pass out to all the dads on site. But I was thinking too, if your company doing a giveaway of some sorts and you bought a lot of tools to give to an individual or to a group of folks, like maybe you could put your logo on there. And personalize it with their name or some sort of ID number or what have you. So unfortunately I don't have a fiber laser to do even more cool things right now, but that is on one of the goals rather for moving it forward in the future. Hoping that 2024 treats me right for several reasons. So we are embarking on a new endeavor and clearly trying some new things. So yeah, pretty excited to see what's going on with that. But tools is just one aspect of that I think will work. And you know what? I want to go ahead and let's go to this camera right here, because my phone keeps on jacking up for some reason. There we go. But yeah, so personalizing tools. I've also made my little business sign. I can show you that too. And I'll get some videos put together where we're a little more formatted and not maybe so formal, but got some good things going on. So this has turned out really good. So I took my torch and burnt the edges of this. This is actually all stained, the letters and everything are. I was trying a couple different techniques to see, how it looked. I don't think this camera is as crisp, and I apologize. But at any rate, so this is actually 3 layers. If you can see that very well. And then the bowl is slightly up on that 4th layer, rather. So this is all cut out of 1/8" birch. And I would say this probably took, I don't know, about an hour or so. Did it all. Actually, probably more than that without design time and what have you. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'd like to make some bigger ones moving forward for different companies and even my own. And I do have a couple projects coming up, hopefully rather soon, where I'm going to be working on some signage for some folks and getting our name out there. So nothing too special. Phone's working right now. Here, let me show it to you on here. Oh, stick it back there. I feel like that looks a lot better. Get out of the screen there so it focuses on that. But yeah, you can tell the different layers. And all I used to do on this is just some CA glue, which is like super glue with a binder, or a quick set adhesive that you spray on. So it turned out pretty good though. All the things, man. So yeah, we do a little bit of everything, and I'm still learning how to do different stuff, just mainly for myself and possibly to bring some products to the market. So if you are interested in getting something specialized or customized for either a loved one, yourself, or a company, let me know. We are currently seeking some business. Okay, I don't know why, but I hope all this sounds good. That's all I got to say about that. Well, I hope everybody is prepared for the weather this weekend, especially if you are here in Oklahoma or beyond, where this whole new system is going to be coming through and blasting through. I know tomorrow is, or rather tonight, I guess, here, we're getting probably roughly about an inch of snow. So stay bundled up, stay safe, nice and warm, cuddle up with your family, loved ones. And then I think it's Sunday and a Monday, and then all of next week, pretty much, we're going to be blasted. What up, Mark? Appreciate it, brother. Trying to figure this stuff out, man. But yeah, we're going to be blasted. So I know I think the kids are expecting to have some snow days, so we're going to have to hunker down and get some food and find some ways of entertainment for them. And mostly, I'm kind of curious to see how it looks out, or rather, what the temperature is out here in my garage. So I got all the doors all sealed up, looking like a redneck, I guess. But cut down on the wind and got them all insulated. So with my heater going, I can get it up. Like right now, I got it to 70. I think it's 73 in here. So that's pretty cool. Hope everything looks good. Mark, you got any feedback, brother? But yeah, hoping we all stay warm. Hope we don't lose power. If I need to get out, we'll just take the Jeep out and run what little errands that we need to. Try to keep everybody safe. I don't know if I have a strong enough bit rate going on. Yeah, you want to hit me up? You still need that white cup? I actually went to Academy today and meant to ask you if you needed that, because I could have picked one up. Oh, good. Thanks, man. I would say you could text me too, but what I'm using for my camera. But yeah, just hit me up with whatever that project is too, bud. I'm glad it looks good and clear. I'm also streaming to YouTube, trying to see how that looks like on there, so we'll go back and reference all that. But it's a little weird having this kind of wide spaced command center here. So yeah. Let me see if I can find this file real quick. Hey, did you guys hadn't seen, and Mark, since you're on here, have you seen that ammo can that I did up? I think it turned out pretty good. I was going to bring up that file real quick, kind of show some software too, see how my screen capture works. That over here. Here. And let's go to so that should be in view. So this is software that I'm using. It's called Lightburn for the laser. And then go here, recent projects. I think I put it in this file. I need to come through and clean up and organize all my stuff, but yeah, so I put this on an ammo can, which I don't know if I have out here or not, to be honest with you. I don't remember what I did with it already. It might still actually be in the laser. But yeah, I put this dude on the ammo can. I'm looking at trying to come up with some other designs, and then messing with those tools, I just figured I'd put my little logo on there and my name. Fun little project to do. The wild thing is too, doing that crescent wrench, the amount of power that goes into it and time, it probably took about 20 minutes per side. And like I said, that Ceramark stuff is pretty pricey. Hello. Let's go back to the screen here. Boom. Now you can't see me. But yeah, let me see if I can find that ammo can real quick. But yeah, 20 minutes per side, which is quite a bit. And that thing got pretty toasty as well. Whoops. And of course, we're frozen up, it looks like. We're going to have to figure that out. There it is. I don't know if I might be getting updates or something on my phone, but we'll figure that out. But yeah, check that out. So that's one side done. I don't know how clearly it shows, but dig it. I've seen some guys work and pretty much cover every square inch of these dudes, so looking at pricing some of those out, building some files up, design files, and then offering those too, so that should be pretty cool and hit several different markets as well for hunting or service guys out there, which thank you very much. All the things. Okay, well, thanks for enduring this with me. I'm going to pop off of here and kind of go through and sort some of the stuff out, check to see what the video looks like on my end after this post is done. I'll be looking forward to just kind of coming and hanging out, and once we get more of this stuff kind of figured out, we'll build some better quality content for sure, and better quality videos. But main thing is I want to get this going, put myself in that uncomfortable place to become comfortable and just kind of keep pushing and growing. So that's really the big goal for me for this upcoming year, all together with business and personal stuff as well, and put myself out there to learn some more things. So there's a lot, man. I don't know, marketing and social media and building stuff, making stuff, all the fun things. I've already learned a lot over the last couple of years and definitely want to expand some more. So, but appreciate you guys taking a look at this, and we're going to hit this outro, and I hope you guys have a good day, good rest of the day anyways, and stay warm, stay safe. Peace.